Did you know that India's police system is still governed by the Police Act of 1861, a colonial era law designed to maintain control rather than serve the people of India? Over time, the nature of crime, technology, and society's expectations have changed drastically. In this context, police reforms in India have become more essential than ever. In this video, we will discuss the need for police reforms in India, the committees formed so far, the Supreme Court's directives, and the future of police reforms. Why are police reforms necessary? One of the biggest problems in India is the shortage of police personnel. According to the India Justice Report, India has only 155 police officials per 1 lakh people, compared to UN standards of 222 per lakh people. Moreover, about 22% of sanctioned posts remain vacant in India. Human rights violations and use of excessive force are still common within the police system. The police often lacks the capacity to deal with new challenges such as cybercrime, terrorism, and organized crime. Political interference affects police investigations and appointments. There is serious lack of accountability and transparency, leading to widespread corruption and trust deficit between police and people. Major committees and commissions on police reforms that has been formed so far include National Police Commission between 1997 to 81, Ribeiro Committee in 1998, Padmanabhaiah Committee in 2000, Malimath Committee in 2003, Soli Sorabjee Committee in 2005. Parliamentary standing committees and other state-level commissions are regularly formed. In 2006, Supreme Court of India in Prakash Singh versus Union of India case issued 7 key directives to reform the police system. Supreme Court directed to establish a state security council in every state. Appointment of DGP strictly based on merit and experience. A minimum tenure of 2 years for the DGP. Fixed tenure of other senior police officers as well. Separation of investigation and law and order functions. Supreme Court suggested investigating agencies to be separate from other law and order maintenance force. Police Establishment Board was supposed to be formed. This board is expected to manage postings, transfers, and promotions of police personnel. Police Complaints Authority was also suggested. This authority will address complaints from the general public. There are other recommendations by other committees which were formed time to time, like National Police Commission that will emphasize accountability and people-friendly policing. Ribeiro Committee advocated for a politically independent police force. Padmanabhaiah Committee focused on training, modernization, and resources. Malimath Committee recommended forensic and technological support in the criminal justice system. Soli Sorabjee Committee proposed a citizen-centric Model Police Act. Now, challenges in implementing police reforms include political resistance, lack of funds, and bureaucratic inertia. Because these powerful politicians and powerful bureaucratic people do not want police reforms to be implemented. They want only selected reforms to be implemented, because they do not want to lose their control over the policing system of India. Now, how can police reforms be implemented? It requires political will, commitment from center as well as state governments. And this commitment will not come until we, the people of India, force these governments to implement police reforms. Another thing is, we will have to arrange for adequate funds and resources for implementing police reforms. Now, when will Supreme Court's police reform directive be implemented? Although the Supreme Court issued these directions in 2006, most states have implemented them only partially. Some states have set up police complaints authorities and state security commissions, but they remain weak and ineffective. Many states have passed their own police acts, but not all Supreme Court recommendations are included in those. Political interference, frequent transfers, and posting pressures remain major hurdles. Overall, India is still in the early stages of police reforms. Full implementation will be possible only when strong political will and public demand align. Police reforms are not just for improving law enforcement, they are vital for democracy and citizens' rights. Until vacancies are filled, accountability and transparency are ensured, and the Supreme Court directives are fully implemented, the police cannot earn complete public trust. India must take decisive steps towards citizen-centric, modern and professional policing. If you also want to see police reforms implemented soon, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.